Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aman from BS Math. Today my topic is chemistry of chocolates. First of all, I will introduce what is chemistry of chocolates. Theobromine is an alkaloid, a family of compounds that many plants produce including the cocoa plant. Now we discuss about chocolate. Chocolate is the richest natural source of theobromine, but coffee and tea contain some of it too. Theobromine chemically resembles caffeine, has a similar stimulating effect on our brains. History of chocolates. The origins of chocolate can be traced back to the ancient Maya and Aztec civilization in Central America, who first enjoyed chocolate, a much prized spicy drink made from the roasted cocoa beans. Cocoa beans were valuable. They were given as gifts on occasions such as a child coming of age and at religious ceremonies. Chocolate comprises a number of raw and processed foods produced from the seed of a tropical cocoa tree. Cocoa has been cultivated for at least 3 millennia in Mexico, Central and South America, with its earliest documented use around 1100 BC. Kinds of chocolates. There are three types of chocolate. First one is unsweetened chocolate, ground roasted chocolate beans with no other added ingredients. Second one is semi-sweet chocolate, a dark chocolate with low sugar content. Last one is white chocolate, a confection based on cocoa butter without the cocoa solids. Process of making chocolate. The first step is harvesting. The cocoa pods from the cocoa tree are crushed and left to ferment. Drying cocoa beans from the pods beans are roasted, grated and ground. Cocoa butter is removed from the chocolate liquid. Second step is blending. Chocolate liquor is blended with the butter. Third step is quenching. Blended chocolate mass is kept liquid by fractional heat. The chocolate mass is stored and heated in tanks. Fourth step is tempering. The mass is cooled in stages. The mass is rewarmed followed by the cooling down. Chemical composition. Chocolate composition of 100 gram of chocolates. Component plain chocolate, milk chocolate and white chocolate. Nutrient like protein is 3.2 gram in plain chocolate, 7.6 gram in milk chocolate, 7.5 gram in white chocolate. Nutrient like lipid 33.5 gram in plain chocolate, 32.3 gram in milk chocolate, 37 gram in white chocolate. Carbohydrates 60.3 gram in plain chocolate, 57 gram in milk chocolate, 52 gram in white chocolate. Pure lactinin 0.3 gram in plain chocolate, 0.3 gram in milk chocolate, 0.3 gram in white chocolate. Theobromine 0.6 gram in plain chocolate, 0.2 gram in milk chocolate. And mineral substance like calcium 20 mg in plain chocolate, 220 mg in milk chocolate, 250 mg in white chocolate. Magnesium 80 mg in plain chocolate, 50 mg in milk chocolate, 30 mg in white chocolate. Phosphorus 130 mg in plain chocolate, 210 mg in milk chocolate, 200 mg in white chocolate. Trace element like iron 2 mg in plain chocolate, 0.8 mg in milk chocolate and traces in white chocolate. Copper 0.7 mg in plain chocolate, 0.9 mg in milk chocolate and traces in white chocolate. Vitamins in chocolate. Vitamins in chocolate like vitamin A is 40 insulin units, B1 0.06 mg, B2 0.06 mg, C 1.14 mg, D 50 insulin units, E 2.4 mg. Bad things in chocolate. Chocolate receives a lot of bad press because of its high fat and sugar content. Its consumption has been associated with acne, obesity, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, and diabetes. High in calories. Limit the amount of chocolate you consume to avoid going over your daily calorie and allotment and gaining weight. Dark chocolate has 598 calories per 100 grams, which is 3.5 ounce. The same amount of milk chocolate has 535 calories. White chocolate, which isn't a true chocolate since it doesn't contain any cocoa solids, just cocoa butter, contain 539 calories per 100 grams. High in sugar. Sugar adds calories without providing any essential nutrients. The American Heart Association recommended women limit their added sugar intake to no more than 100 calories or 25 grams of per day, and men consume no more than 150 calories or 37.5 grams of added sugar per day. Each 100-gram serving of dark chocolate contains 24 grams of sugar, and the same amount of milk chocolate has 51.5 grams of added sugar. Next one is good things in chocolates. Very nutritious. Second, a powerful source of antioxidants. Next one is may improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Resists HDL and protects LDL from oxidation. May reduce heart disease risk and may protect your skin from the sun. Benefits of chocolate. There are many health benefits that are attributed to the chocolates. First one is it is good for the heart. Next one, it increases the responsiveness of blood vessels, which is useful for preventing heart disease. Third one, it also increases glucose tolerance. Next one is chocolate also contains some substance which has an antioxidant effect. This is helpful for preventing cancer. Next is eating chocolate increases the brain activities and increases the heartbeat rate than any other thing. Next one is caffeine, which increases resistance to fatigue, intellectual activity, and watchfulness. Endorphins, natural opiates that are released by the brain in increased amounts when eating chocolate, thereby elevating one's mood, reducing pain. The last one is disadvantages of chocolates. Chocolates is reported to cause headache, obesity, rectal itching, heartburn, and emotional problems like irritability, confusion, anger, and depression. Next up is there are more than 350 chemicals in chocolate. Some of these are believed to cause allergic reactions. Eating chocolate can also give rise to a feeling of anxiety. Next one is the presence of caffeine and magnesium can contribute to a feeling of craving for chocolate. 1 ounce of chocolate contains 20 milligrams of caffeine. Researchers on the effects of caffeine have reported that caffeine can cause problems in sleep, restlessness, irritability, heartburn, and anxiety. Withdrawal from caffeine causes fatigue and headaches. Thanks.